Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I have the Snack Nation box. Yes, it's back again. This is my third box, and we're gonna crack it open and see what kind of good stuff is in there. Hopefully it's as tasty as the last box. Last box was really good. I like that.
Awesome. I always like having these. They're pretty nice.
There you go.
Ooh.
Okay.
There's a lot of snacks in this one. Okay, let's look at the first one. Skinny Jimmy. Work AF. Work as woke as fuck.
Cookies and cream. What is this? Oh, guarana, caffeine, and everything. You want to try a piece?
Let's do it.
All right. This will be good for like in the morning.
Ooh.
Oh, it's tiny. Whoa. I'm just gonna have a little bit.
I'm having half.
Oh, hello. Tiny piece.
That's good.
There it is. The texture is a little different on this. See, I'll show you. Maybe you can tell kind of like, see, it looks like, it's like soft and dry. And it has like a powdery coating at the top. It's interesting. I don't believe I've ever had anything like this before, but it's pretty good.
It's like a protein bar, but better for me.
It's more like an energy bar.
I love that. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to the next one. Maddie K's. Sea salt roasted almonds.
Alright, let's give this a shot.
I'm just gonna get a lot. Just as I expected. Good.
There you go. Maddie K's almonds. It's not bad. The packaging's a little small, but
I like it's not too salty.
yeah, it's not too salty. Yeah, I do like the flavor of it. It tastes like it's a real almond. That's good.
All right.
All right, what do we got next?
Okay. Sunflower seeds, or the kernels. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Maybe I should open it a little bit more.
You gotta share, man.
Sorry. I love these.
It's a two-man show. Come on.
Sunflower seeds are my junk.
Let's see.
You want some?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
That would be great.
Yeah.
He's not sharing.
Yeah.
All right. I got a whopping 1 seed. Check that out.
Need more. They're good. I love sunflower seeds.
Yeah. They're pretty good. It says it's roasted and salted, but it's not too salty. It's actually just right. Not bad at all.
Next item.
Ooh.
Noka superfood blend. Mango coconut. Ooh.
Is that a smoothie or something?
It's like an applesauce packaging thing.
You want to try that right now, or we'll hold off?
What do you think?
Let's do it now.
Let me see how this is. Ready?
What's it taste like?
Like applesauce, but
Yeah,
more
good.
mango-y. It's like
So-
baby food. I like it.
Yeah, it does. So it has mango, coconut, camu, banana, apple, lemon with browned rice protein and flaxseed. So it's just basically
Applesauce.
fancy applesauce that looks like baby food but for adults.
It kind of has a texture of baby food too.
Yeah, it does. I mean, it's not bad. I would drink it.
Ooh,
In a weird way, I like it.
I love pop chips, but these are cool. Pop chips. Ooh, Buffalo Ranch. Ooh, I like buffalo sauce. So let's try this.
That's awesome.
Okay, let's try it. Ready? As I expect. Open
There's
the package,
not much.
like, not much.
I make the bag look big, but that's okay.
Gosh, there's like only a couple in there.
There's like 5 chips in there.
Basically, I'm gonna take like
Probably not even exaggerating.
chicken couple.
Let's see how it tastes. Then better make up for it in taste. Let's see.
I took too many.
You can definitely feel the buffalo sauce. Yeah, it's really, really good. There you go.
That's really good.
If you like buffalo sauce, there you go. Pop chip ridges. I'm gonna have to wash it down with some of this organic apple juice. Let's see.
These are amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
I agree. I'd get them again. It definitely got a kick to it, and it's actually not that bad at all.
Yeah, I like them. They're pretty good.
All right. What else we got?
Let's see. Awake, caffeinated. Ooh, chocolate. It's pretty good.
All right.
I'll just see the packaging really quick. All right.
I believe I've seen a fellow YouTuber that gets a box. I believe they received a piece of this chocolate and they liked it. So let's see. Fucking agree.
I like that. The inside, so soft.
Peanut butter.
Tastes
There
like a
you go.
lighter peanut butter. Yeah.
It's from Canada.
This peanut butter doesn't stick to the roof of your mouth as much. That's how good it is. It's like creamy, but not sticking to your mouth.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Thanks for the bar, eh? My Canadian friends.
All right. Let's go to this one.
Man, we're getting a good box, man. I like this so far.
Sour chewy fruities.
Ooh.
Sour apple. You know, not gonna lie, when I first looked at this, it kind of looked like Starburst mixed with the Japanese candies, like the little green ones, the guava ones. It's like they was put together.
Yep.
Let's see. The packagings are always so tough to get off.
I know they are, but luckily this particular one is resealable, so
Yeah, you know what?
it'll keep your stuff fresh. Yeah, there you go. That's what the knife is for. Let's.
No, I'm gonna use my scissors. Sorry.
All right.
Make it easier.
It's actually not that bad. We got 6 snacks so far. That's number 7.
Dude,
And they usually give us extras. Like in the last box, we got a couple of extras, which was pretty good.
yeah.
I like that a lot.
You get one, I get one.
All right.
You know, just like
Oh, you're
Starburst.
right. Yeah, absolutely.
How is it? Oh, these look.
I like it a lot.
Whoa. I thought it was gonna be hard, but it's soft.
No, I like it a lot. It's really good.
It's definitely very sour apple. I like that.
So Tori and Howard, sour, chewy fruities.
I get those again.
And it appears that, looking at the back of the bag, they have a variety of flavors there. Check it out. Not bad at all, huh? We might have to look for this in the store. It's pretty good.
Honestly, yeah. Oh, which one do you want to do next?
Oh,
This one or this
man.
one? Let's do this one, yeah. Sans PB&J meal bar.
Holy
this looks
mackerel.
really good.
This actually looks huge.
It looks really good.
There's a lot of bars in this one.
But they're like different. It's like a meal bar. It's like a.
You got like 2 breakfast bars, and then we got like a meal bar. So you got breakfast, and you know, if you're on a diet, you got lunch right here, and then dinner right there.
Take a piece.
Wow. Wow, there's actual peanuts in it. Look at that. There's an actual peanut in it.
Very dry.
Oh my god, yeah. Really dry and crummy. But according to the ingredients, there's only just basic ingredients on it. Just, you know, peanuts, dates, eggs, strawberries, oats, and sea salt and spinach. So that's not bad, and flaxseed. Look at that. So it's all natural ingredients. It's not bad tasting. There's no sugar or anything. But it's a little dry.
I have the peanut butter like hint, but I don't have. I mean, okay. Now I have a small hint of like a fruity part of it, but I don't have any like jelly or anything, like the feeling of jelly. It's a peanut butter and jelly bar.
Maybe it's something to do with the fact that we just ate the buffalo ranch. It could have killed our taste
I
buds.
can taste the peanut butter. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. I like that.
All right, last item. I actually love this.
If they can put something like this in every box, I would be a happy man.
It's kind of like a beef jerky.
Beef jerky.
It's Oh, smoked.
Oh man, heck yeah.
This is gonna be good.
Oh, this is absolutely.
I love beef jerky. I always eat that on my own.
In our first box, we had, I believe it was like Korean barbecue jerky.
Oh, that was so good.
That was really good. Let's see how this one stacks up.
Alright.
I'm hoping this one's good.
This beef jerky, I know it's gonna be good. It's first reaction here. First reaction, it's really dry. Oh no, it looks really, kind of looks like.
Okay, so it's basically dry smoked beef. It's not the jerky type. So there you go. I'll show you what the texture of it like. So basically, if you've ever been to Europe,
I was about to say.
and in a lot of the Eastern European countries, well, I'm from Eastern Europe, they have like a smoked beef that they basically dry. They have they have like a shed set out for it, and they dry it, and you get that smoky taste once the beef is fully dried, and it tastes absolutely fantastic.
This doesn't have as much flavor as that, but I'd still eat this because I know the original is like not too good for you, but having this be a little bit better for you, I can eat this one.
I like this. I mean, it's air dried, so it's gonna be like, you know, it's gonna be dry, obviously, but
it's not as dry as you think, though.
Right, but it's got flavor to it. It's not just like, you know, a plain piece of beef that somebody left out in the shed and you know, dried. You can taste a little bit of smokiness to it.
Oh, you can taste the smoke.
I really like this. This is fantastic. Wow. I mean, and we got about, what is it, 9 snacks in this box?
But
yeah.
Look how big this one is. This is many different these chews in there. Got a pretty big bar. We got
the chips. We got, you know, variety of bars. The dry beef.
The baby food.
We got the baby food for adults.
That's good, though.
We got the almonds. We got the sunflower seeds. I mean, this box has actually been impressive. Snack Box, thank you or Snack Nation, thank you for, you know, stepping up your game. You know, while he's stealing the, you know, the rest of this dry beef, I'm gonna keep on talking because he's obviously got his mouth full. But thank you for you know, sending us a really good box this time. I really appreciate it. I'll definitely continue getting this because for $15, you know, I don't think I would be able to, you know, compile all these myself. So I like this a lot. I mean, I don't know if you have anything in addition to that to say, because I mean, I'm impressed.
I love Snack Box. I recommend Snack Box.
Snack Nation.
Why did I say Snack Box?
Because it's a snack box from Snack Nation.
I'm just hungry.
Yeah, so apparently good. This is so good, actually. So,
more of this.
Well,
some more of this. And
well,
some more of this.
This concludes this video, guys. He's gonna go ahead and finish every single snack, and
you can have one sunflower seed if you want.
And we'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.